How to make money on Upwork as a resume design specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile in this platform in order to make money with it. So let's get started by creating our account, and here make sure to join as a freelancer looking for work, apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on create my account. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to log in with my email and my password. Then you'll proceed to creating your profile. So this is where you create your profile, and this is the last step of creating the profile. So let's go back to start from the beginning, to start from the first step. So here let's go back to the first step, and this is our first step. As you can see, get started. So here let's get started, and here you have a few questions to go through. The first one is, have you freelanced before? And here you have 3 answers to choose from. Choose the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next to proceed to the next question, which is, what's your biggest goal for freelancing? And here you have 4 answers. Choose the answer that fits your situation again. Then click on next to proceed to the next question, which is, how would you like to work? And here I advise you to choose all of these answers. They're all helpful. And then click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options in order to create your profile. You can either import your information from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume from your desktop if you have it in a file, or you can fill it out manually. It will not take 15 minutes. It will take less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to go with the third option, start a new profile, and here you enter your skill, resume design specialist, and then click on next to add your experience. So click on the plus button to add your previous work experience. Then click to proceed to add your education history. Click on the plus button again to add your education history in here. After that, you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak and write. So here, as you can see, English is a must in this platform. All profiles include this. So here, just choose your level in English. My level in English is conversational. And here, you can add other languages if you can speak them. For me, I'm going to add 2 more languages. Arabic, which is my native language, and French, which is a language that I studied in school. So here my level in Arabic is native, and my level in French is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter your skills in here, and we have here some suggested skills like the resume design, specifications, construction document preparation, resume, and the maximum is 15 skills, so you cannot add more than 15 skills. So make sure to add the important skills. So here I'm going to go with resume design and resume, and here construction document preparation, and that's it. This is just an example, guys. Then click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. So guys, this is an example of a bio. I'm a developer, experienced in and as you can see, we have a small text and some bullet points to make things brief and short for the clients to read. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, I advise you to go to ChatGPT and type, I'm a resume design specialist, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very decent bio. You will just need to add some personal information to it, and then copy and paste it in here. For me, I'm going to take Marty's bio, because going to ChatGPT will make the video very long. So here I'm going to enter this bio, then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for the services that you can offer in this category or in this list, or you can just choose the suggested service, which is graphic, editorial, and presentation design. I'm going to choose this one, then click on next to set your rate. So here you can choose your hourly rate. I'm going to go with $30 per hour, then click on next to add your photo and location. So here guys, make sure to add your location's information, and for your profile picture, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you a strategy that I follow personally in order to improve my profile to attract as many clients as possible. So the strategy is basically going to the main page and searching for my competitors, the same people in my niche. So here I'm going to enter my skill and then click on search to find or to see all of the competitors that I have, and then I'm going to look for the highest earner amongst them, and I'm going to see what is making him stand amongst all of these competitors. Why is he the highest earner? What is he doing differently in his profile than the others? And I'm going to implement that to my profile easily. So here we have more than $100,000 and he gets $75 per hour. So let's see if we can find more than that. Another one, he earned more than $200 and he gets paid $50 per hour, and he's the top 1% on the platform. So let's see if we can find someone who earned more than $200,000. Let's check the second page. I think that the one that we saw before is the highest earner in this category, but there is no harm in seeing if we can find someone else. Another one who earned more than $500,000. I think she earned more than 500 grand, and she gets paid $45 per hour. So I think that's our highest earner for now. So that's who we're going to work on. That's how we're going to use the method that I showed you before. And guys, if you want to find more work in the platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and here enter your skill and click on search to see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill like the one you're offering. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.